Hello everyone! Today we're going to analyze the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, as these action cameras are not only focused on sports activities, but also for content creators who want to capture high-quality video without needing a dedicated or full-frame camera. From vlogs to outdoor adventures, this camera promises to take your videography to the next level. Let's break down its standout features and specifications. First, let's admire the design. The Ace Pro 2 is compact and lightweight, weighing only 177.2 grams and measuring 71.9 by 52.2 by 38 millimeters. It's easy to carry and operate, making it perfect for all types of situations. Both the first version and this second one feature a flip-up screen, which allows you to see yourself if you're in front of the camera, or view what you're filming if you're behind it. Another thing worth mentioning is its magnetic mount, making it super easy and fast to attach or detach the camera. Now, let's talk about image quality. The camera has a large 1/1.3-inch sensor with an f2.6 aperture, offering excellent performance in low-light conditions. It offers an impressive variety of video resolutions, including 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K up to 120 frames per second, and several other formats to suit your needs, such as 2.7K and 1080p, all with built-in HDR. It also offers a dedicated mode for low-light and nighttime videos, which, combined with a dedicated AI processor for image enhancement, delivers incredible results even in the most challenging low-light conditions. And this year, this night mode is available in both 4K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second. Among the specific video resolutions you can capture are 8K in 16:9 at 30, 25, and 24 frames per second, 4K in 4:3 up to 60 frames per second, 2.7K in 16:9 at 120 frames per second, 1080p in 16:9 1920 by 1080 at an incredible 240 frames per second for slow motion. With the ability to record in several formats, including PureVideo and free-frame, the filming possibilities are extremely varied. The Insta360 app offers the best editing experience using AI that no other brand has. It allows you to create polished videos in no time. The app also supports exporting in multiple photo formats, including 50MP JPG and DNG RAW, and with various video modes, like time-lapse and AI-enhanced videos. Let's talk about durability. The Ace Pro 2 is water-resistant up to 39 feet without additional protection or a case, and up to 197 feet with a dive case. It's designed for outdoor adventures and can withstand a wide operational temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The battery life is solid, with a capacity of 1,800 mAh. You can record around 180 minutes of continuous footage in ideal conditions. And if you need a fast charge, it only takes around 47 minutes with a 30 watts adapter. Another thing to highlight is that this camera offers several color profiles that you can apply instantly with just a click, and they will be applied to your video. Insta360 actually collaborated with the famous Leica brand, but as if that weren't enough, it also offers multiple viewing angles, more than what the competition offers, providing versatility when filming, whether it's extreme sports, where you need an ultra-wide lens, or a vlog with a more closed lens. As you've seen in the examples, the filming quality of this camera is amazing. The colors are excellent, and its HDR mode delivers great results, keeping a good balance between highlights and shadows without overexposing the images. Another surprising feature is its 8K video, which, with a double tap on the screen, allows you to zoom or crop while maintaining video quality. We also tested its night mode both in 4K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second, but I wasn't impressed. The image looks very processed, and the noise reduction, in my opinion, is too aggressive, making the image lose its natural feel. I prefer to shoot without night mode, as even in normal mode, this camera gives good results in low light or nighttime conditions, with more detail and a more natural image. So far everything sounds great, but my criticism would be that they should have introduced 10-bit recording, as the DJI 5 Pro offers. On the other hand, the new GoPro 13 and the DJI Action 5 Pro offer HLG recording modes, while this camera doesn't have that recording option. My final conclusions are that this camera is definitely on another level. I really like its flip-up screen, which is larger than the screens on GoPro and DJI cameras. Its battery and fast charging are amazing, and not to mention how excellent its app is for editing your videos. This camera is practically on par with the latest smartphones, taking 50-megapixel photos and recording in 8K video, along with excellent low-light and nighttime filming results. Without a doubt, I recommend it. Don't miss the comparison I'll be doing soon between this camera and the DJI Action 5 Pro. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech information. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll leave the purchase links or my social media links in the description of this video, and we'll see each other later with more. Bye-bye.